Yes, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is a Tuesday, as you can see. So today is a Tuesday and I'm just trying to show you guys what I do pretty much for the day when I'm trying to find a setup. So it's more like a day in a life trying to find a setup as a trader. It's known the name of day in life, as you see most traders do. So it's a normal day in a life trying to find a setup to trade, just a day in a life. So let me show you pretty much what I do when I'm trying to find a setup for a trade. So let's go to the PC. So first things first, what I always do first is I go to my economic calendar and I use Forex Factory to find whether we have some high impact or intermediate impact news for the day. So as we can see, today is a Tuesday. We have core retail sales in the dollar, and then we have industrial production, but this won't be industrial production won't be much effective. So for me, since I'm trading on Tuesday, I'm considering this. So I have a high impact news today at 8:30, that's New York time. So after checking that, I go to my chart, obviously trading view, where I do my analysis. Basically, most of the times when I'm to analyze the pair that I'm trading, let's say, because I trade one or two, but mostly I trade GBP USD, and sometimes I trade Euro USD. So what I do first is I first go to my DXY chart and see what's pretty much happening, because mostly DXY gives me the idea of what I should be looking out for the day. It gives me the idea to whether I should be looking for bullish prices or lower prices. So I go to my time frame, that's the daily, because that's where I do most of my analysis from. So when we check out on the daily, DXY is super bullish, and also had some kind of like a SMT between the dollar and then the British pound. So when we check at the DXY at the moment, we are trading at a bullish order block within this daily fair value gap. So right at this point, I'm expecting bullish prices, and I'll be expecting something like around above this level here. Let me remove this to that. So for the dollar right now, I'm expecting bullish prices. So that means if I go to the pair that I trade, that's GBP USD or Euro USD, I should be expecting lower prices for that day. So this is GBP USD. This is where it created a higher high, and then the dollar we failed to create a lower low. So that created some sort of an SMT divergency. So I'm expecting lower prices right now. On the daily, this is the daily bearish order block, but before the bearish order block we have a breaker somewhere around here. Let me show you. We're trading around a breaker. So before we get to this bearish order block, I'm seeing some potential resistance to the downside using this breaker. So let me drop to the lower time frames, 4 hour and 1 hour. So here's what I'm looking at right now. We are right now trading at the breaker. So at the moment, I'm disqualifying this because the breaker is still in play. I'm looking at this, and I'm looking for lower prices. So we have a 4 fair value gap within here. So let me drop to the 1 hour. So the 1 hour has something that is good to look at, and I'm looking at my model. So if you look, the market is at the breaker right now. Look what the daily did. Sorry, the 1 hour did. We went high and took our previous day's high. That's around above this. We took our previous day's high, and then I'm seeing this is a low that was created on a retracement back into this fair value gap, and I'm also seeing this low. So on this, I'm seeing something like a shift in structure. All right, I'm seeing a shift in structure here. So after this shift in structure, the market has dropped lower and we are trading within this 1 hour fair value gap. Now what I'm looking out for in price, remember we are trading at that daily breaker. All right, now what I'm looking out for, I'm looking for price to at least run back into this fair value gap, and I'll enter in a short on GBP USD. So here's what I'm looking at. I want to see this and then a drop lower. All right, this is what I'm looking out for. I want to see a retracement back into this 1 hour fair value gap. This is where I'm going to enter my trade. Like if it fails to go up into there, I'm not placing any trade, but it's what I'm looking out for. I'm looking for a retracement back into this and around this big figure level 2700. Yeah, around this big figure level, this is where I'm expecting a retracement back to, and then I'll place in a short. So let's wait and see if the market can give us that response in price. Remember, we're not reacting to price, we're just anticipating, we are not reacting. So let's see if the market can give me that entry for today. And also remember, it's 2 minutes, it's 9 minutes to my time. Like for instance, in London, I normally place trades between 2 to 5 a.m. New York time, and then that's around 7 to 10 London time. So let's just wait and see.
A message for eternity for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I